this is a everyday, quick to get ready, throw it on right now, I'll put it in the bag and throw it on after type of wig. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys this wig that I got from Sunber hair. Yes, all of 22 inches, baby. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this to look, stay tuned, watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video when you see how easy it is. And yeah, stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell because I have plenty more videos coming. So this is how the package looks. The back. So this is from Sunber hair. Shout out to them. So in the box, it looks like this. And what you get is a wig cap. The nude wig cap. A nude wig cap. This looks like a scarf. And we have these elastic clips, adjustable. And then we have this wig. So it comes packaged like this. So I got a 22-inch front bang wig. So this is the wig. And the lace is their transparent lace. It's really thin too. I think I'm gonna like this. So this is how the inside of the wig looks. So yeah, it has a clip. There's one clip at the back and then there's two clips on the side. So yeah, this is the wig. It feels nice. The ends are not thin, thank God, because I cannot stand thin ends. Like, who you giving that hair to, sis? Because it couldn't be me. And the bangs I can already tell are long, so I'm gonna have to go in and probably cut it. But I'd rather it come longer than shorter because who's walking around with bangs up to here? So I'm just gonna go ahead and just braid my hair in 6 braids going straight back. And I'm gonna start with a part in the middle because I don't want a lump. I don't want a lump in the middle of my head, so I always start with a middle part. And I will be using the wig cap that they provided in the box. I'm just gonna literally put this braid up. And put this cap on my head. There is no time that I'd rather wear a front bangs wig than in the winter time. And it is currently winter time. I know I look crazy right now. So when you put the wig on, like, it has like a small part. You just want to make sure that part is in the middle. So guys, this is how the wig looks just coming out the box. Not have done anything to it. Like, this is just great. So I'm gonna comb back all the hair. That way I can see the lace that I'm cutting off. I'm gonna go in and cut this lace off. So I'm just cutting in like a zigzag motion. I'm not just gonna cut it straight. I'm still going to give it that zigzag effect. Don't forget to cut the lace at the back as well, because this has extra lace on it. This wig does come with adjustable straps at the back if you want it to be secured tighter. It comes adjustable on each side, so I just adjusted it, as you can see. And now I'm just gonna go back and put the wig on. Okay, yes. Yes, so now it just fits my head. So every time I flat iron my hair, no matter what, I always go in with Dax. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna go in and flat iron my bangs. So as you can see, I'm not going in and doing it all one time. I'm doing it in smaller sections. So I'm probably gonna do it in 4 sections. I clipped a small piece of lace, so I'm gonna do this first, and then I'm gonna go to this one. And just always be careful when you're flat ironing your bangs, because you do not want to burn yourself. So I'm just going to take this part down, and I'm going to section this off in 2. So I'm gonna leave these long pieces, and I'm gonna cut the shorter piece over here. And my lashes are super long, so that is another thing. So I'm gonna use this as my guide. So I'm always gonna take a piece of my guide with the other part of my bang that I didn't cut. and just measure it up. And that way your bangs could be straight. So once again, I'm going in with a longer piece, but I'm also going in with a piece that I cut. As you can see, that's my guide. When you cut it and feel like you've got it to like a good length, just go in. And what I'm gonna do is just flat iron it again. I have like a little bit of flyaway, so I'm gonna go in with my beeswax. This is not even sewn down, glued down, and this is a frontal. Like, so guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys learned something from it. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel, like, comment, let me know what you guys would like to see next, all that good stuff. Hopefully you guys, you know, enjoyed this little tutorial, because this is super beginner friendly. Like, even if you cut the bangs too short, honey, this is a wig, just pull that bad boy down a bit. If it's too long, like, pull it up a bit. Do you guys see? Like, now I don't even know which length I like better. Okay, we'll stick to this. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, you know, because I'll be back with another one. I'll be back with another one. I'll be back with another one. It's 2020, you guys. I'm super hyped about this year. Like, wow, I'm having, there's a snowstorm happening outside right now.